So here we are at Prachuap Khiri. Stayed there last night, right at this hotel. It's called Prachuap Beach Hotel, and this is actually the beach right on the boardwalk here. And I've seen this different times. I was here about maybe I don't know 7 or 8 years ago, and the water would come all the way up. So I guess there's the tides kind of come in and out. So now we can see sand. I didn't see it that other time. And way over there is like a monkey temple. There's like tons and tons of monkeys everywhere around there. I don't know if I'm gonna go over there and film or not, but I will definitely film on this street a little bit and give a little taste for this main street on Prachuap Khiri. 2023, COVID is over and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're gonna be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok, so stay tuned and check it all out. Okay, so actually, just kind of give you a small taste of it. But actually, I saw another YouTuber and he was filming this main street, and he was saying this is the morning traffic jam, and he filmed it about 8 in the morning. It's probably about 9 in the morning now. No, it's about 8 in the morning right now on a Tuesday. So this is the traffic jams that happens on a Tuesday. And that's my good friend over there, so we're doing a little road trip. So he might grab the camera from me later. And yeah, and actually we're kind of just down exploring Prachuap Khiri and checking it all out. And I thought I'd give a little bit of a taste of it. And if you go in a little bit, there's also, oh, that's kind of cool. There's a Japanese. We're gonna be in Japan later. We're gonna be to that same spot. I used to live in Osaka, but that right there is kind of a iconic symbol of Osaka. And then down there you have all these side streets, and that goes in. There's kind of like this main street and the next main street and the next main street, and you can see there's very little traffic on any of them. Very few cars going by. I did see a lot of cars way down like outside of this area, but when you're in the city itself, it seems like not too bad. Not too many cars at all. There's apartment rentals. I'm gonna give this here. So yeah, we're checking out Prachuap Khiri and my friend Lance, and we're doing a road trip. So we're gonna be doing a lot of videos. And this particular one is the main street, Prachuap Khiri, at 8 in the morning. And we have I was just saying it on camera, there's like no traffic. So 8 a.m. traffic jam, non-existent. Nobody's rushing to work. And we did look at that camera on the other streets too, and there was hardly anybody on those streets either, so it's kind of interesting. Lance, you want to say anything about Prachuap Khiri?
Yeah, this town is bigger than I guess I thought it might be. So it's not a totally sleepy little town, but it kind of is. It's just kind of right in the middle, not too big, not too small. Yeah, I was surprised by its beauty here with these mountains in the background. It's just very picturesque, and yeah, very nice people. Thais are nice, but maybe a little nicer here. Things are very cheap here. I can tell the prices are definitely cheaper than Hua Hin, for example. So maybe half the price. So some hotels are cheap, and it's a nice town.
Yeah.
Highly recommended.
What are the top 2 things you like most about it?
I'd just say, I guess, the walkability and just those mountains out there.
Oh, yeah.
Or craigs or crabs or whatever they're called.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just the beauty here. And I guess if I could add number 3 would be this boardwalk here. I guess that's part of the walkability. But yeah. How about you?
Yeah, you know, actually, like last night we were walking around and we could see all the lights going all the way down on both parts. So you know, there's activity and lots of boats out here with lights on too. So yeah. And we were up in this hotel with this blue and white. So both of us have side views, different rooms, but different windows that actually can overlook all of this. And yeah, it was pretty amazing at nighttime just to see the lighting and just and people will come out here at nighttime, like a lot of Thai people and foreigners sometimes, but more Thai people, maybe 90%, 95%, but they'll put tables here and eat with their families and kind of socialize. And there's all these bars up in these, some of these are bars or restaurants or different businesses, and you'll see the occasional foreigner or a group that are just kind of sit together talking. So this whole street has a nice pleasant energy with the ocean waves. And then if you go back, like the town is relatively small, so I would say probably this mountain, and then it goes inland, probably about the same distance as this little bay.
Yep.
And that would also be the town, and the streets would kind of be linear, where it'd be like, a friend of ours lives here, and he said that this is street, I call this street number 3, because there's like street number 2, parallel with this, street number 3, parallel with this, and then you go a few more streets over, maybe number 5, approximately would be the train station, which is a barrier of probably the countryside, and then more of this. So it's like kind of a nice small town. It's easy to be in a central spot. You got this gorgeous views, and you kind of have some interesting stuff like that monkey temple at the end. So I guess what we'll do is we'll conclude for this one, and got more stuff from Prachuap Khiri coming up, Hua Hin, and then we're gonna go along the coast and show some other cities on the other side as well from the other direction of Bangkok. So keep on checking out the channel. Another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them!
Toma cuidado la voz